ready yet? Wait.
Hey guys, it's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. Today's going to be how I do my eyebrows, okay? So I'm going to start off with the things that I like to use, okay? I like to use this one and only auto liner pencil in the color terracotta. It's only like $1 at the beauty supply store. I like to use this pencil, and it just comes on amazing, guys. It kind of lasts me maybe like 10 makeup wears. Like it's pretty good, guys. As you can see, I like it a lot more than I like the actual eyebrow pencils. And then I also like to use this Benefit Gimme Brow eyebrow mascara. It's freaking amazing, guys. So this is in the color brown. I actually got this, as you can see, it's a mascara and it's just perfect to shape your eyebrows. So I like to use that after I use my one and only pencil. So I actually got that back in my Ipsy bag and I just fell in love. And to clean up my eyebrows, I like to use regular LA Pro Girl concealer. This is in Toffee, I believe, either Toffee or Fawn, one of them. These are the brushes I will be using. Of course, you need a spoolie to brush your eyebrows, okay, in place. You're also gonna need a nice I don't know what's it called, this brush, guys, kind of help me out. This is a Juvia's Place brush, also another Juvia's Place brush, but this is like an eyeshadow brush, and this is another Juvia's Place brush, and it's a angle brush. So all of these are Juvia's Place brushes. I'll show you guys how to do some bold eyebrows, okay? This is how I do it. I'm not a professional, but this is how I do it, okay? So yeah, you want to start off with just brushing your eyebrows like so with the spoolie, okay? Just brushing it into place, you know. Okay guys, so after I've brushed my eyebrows, I like to shape it with the one and only pencil, like I'm doing here. And I'm very heavy-handed, but I know some people are gonna come at me in the comment section, but this is how I like my eyebrows. I like bold eyebrows. I don't like chola skinny eyebrows. You know, if that's what you like, that's your preference, but I like my eyebrows to be bold and beautiful. I always end up changing how I do my eyebrows, but this is how I like it for now. Okay, so now we're moving on to the Gimme Brow eyebrow mascara. I like to just go over what I just did with the pencil. I like to go over it with the mascara. It kind of gives it a nicer tone to it, like a more brownish, auburnish. And it just helps me glide and just add a little bit more arch that I don't have, and you know, give me the perfect tail, or well, not the perfect tail, but yeah, I just love this damn thing. Like I said, guys, I did get it in my Ipsy bag like I think like last year or 2 years ago, and I just started using it like last month, and I just fell in love. And I recently just ordered 2 from eBay, I believe, because Sephora didn't have. But no, guys, I'll definitely leave where you can get this from in the description box if you're interested. Okay, and now we're gonna start off with cleaning the eyebrows up with concealer. So I'm using the angled brow brush from Juvia's Place. So I like to just pour the concealer onto this makeup plate like so. Okay guys, I did decide to use the other Juvia's Place from eyeshadow brush to shape my eyebrows this time. I like to use this one at the bottom and then the angle brush at the top. Okay guys, I like to use this Juvia's Place buffer brush to blend out the concealer around my eyebrows. It works amazing. I like to spray this Mystify by Gerard Cosmetics just to get it nice and damp, and then I like to just blend it in.
You give me that feeling. I'm willing to do whatever, whatever, whatever. I'm willing to love you. I'm willing to love you. I'm willing to pave the way for us to be in a better place. You give me that feeling. I'm willing to do whatever, whatever, whatever. I'm willing to love.
Ice on my neck, rock on my